Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie from Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing this week's challenge for Pouring in Harmony. Our group is Pouring in Harmony on Facebook with Brittany and Cari and Tammy and Bridgette. And today's challenge is for Memorial Day. We're going to continue the week for Memorial Day, and we're going to do a patriotic balloon smash. So we're using blue and white and red, and we could use silver or something silver gold, something like that if you'd like to too. So I've already layered my base white down. I've got my balloon ready right here, and I've got my white down. I'm going to put a sheet. No, I'm going to use my Prussian blue from Grumbacher, and I'm going to use, should I pull this out? Permanent red from Master's Touch. Both of them are mixed with glue wall, Floetrol, and a little silicone. Also, this is a 10 by 10 panel from Master's Touch. So I'm going to lay the blue first. I think right here, I'm going to do in like little puddles here and here. Okay. And then I'm going to put a little white in there. And this one is going to have the Floetrol in there and the glue all and a little bit of silicone. And I'm going to do red. And I'm going to do this too backwards in the middle. And I'm going to do it like this. Here, 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 there. Oh yeah, let's put a little bit more there. Yeah, I guess. And then we're going to go white here, 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 and there, and blue everywhere. I haven't decided what I'm going to do in the middle, or if I need to do anything in the middle. I think what I'm going to do now is more red, but I'm going to do it right next to the blue, right here. That. I hope we don't get too much purple. I want it to be red, white, and blue. And I think that's good. So, let's start. And you know what? I think I want a couple paper towels handy to wipe the balloon. Yeah. There's one. Oops, my fan's blowing it right into the water down my water bucket. Okay. Here we go. Where should I start? Let's start that one. Oh, I always like that. We don't think we need to do anything with it yet. However, I think I should have put more white in there. So, we might have to. I don't even need to wipe it. Put them right in the middle. Alright, so I think I'm going to put some more white here and there. Here. Alright, let's dip it in the middle. That's pretty. Here. I want it to get muddy. Hey, actually I like it. my web bath. Still think we need more. It just looks like, I'm not sure. It just needs more. Let's just put it that way. So, let's put some more in there. I was afraid to do too much blue because I'm afraid we'd end up with purple too much. Almost got it. I'm going to put a little bit more white because I'd like a little bit more white in there. And that way if I need to... Oops, I missed blue there. How come you didn't tell me? I know you're probably yelling at me. You missed the blue drop. Alright, so let's try this again. Maybe I will wipe a little bit of it off because it is a little muddy. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. That's pretty. Let's go over here. Oh yeah, I'm liking that better. It looks like fireworks. Very pretty. I'm going to wipe some of that off. I want mud. Very pretty. Oh yeah. That's very patriotic looking actually. I like it a lot. I think I'm going to leave it just like that. I think it's very pretty. I want some negative space there. I think that looks very nice. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is sprinkle a little bit. I did this to another painting. Actually, I'm going to put them both together, this one and that one, because neither one of them are going to be very long. So I'm going to sprinkle, what did I do with it? Here, let me throw that away. Some of my silver glitter in there. There it is. For the stars. Here we go. I like that. That is very pretty and patriotic. Alright, so there you go. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you haven't already. And watch for our June giveaway. That's coming up soon. Just in a couple days. And I'll be announcing the winner for the 250 subscriber giveaway as well. So, be watching. Thank you for joining me. God bless, be safe, and be happy. See you soon. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, it's Jeannie with Marie with Artistic Pours and More. And I'm doing our weekly challenge with Pouring in Harmony group. Today's challenge is a tribute to Memorial Day and to veterans and to our country. So we've chose the colors of red, white, and blue. And, of course, we could put a little silver or gold in there if you'd like. And it has to be a swipe. So, I have bought this a while back, this little squeegee. And I've never tried it yet. So, I decided to use this panel. This is a 10 by 10. Fits that just perfectly. I'm going to try that for the first time. I've already laid down some gloss white for base. There's not supposed to be any Floetrol, or actually it's just with Floetrol and water. There's no glue and no silicone. So I'm actually going to start with my phthalo blue Grumbacher. I don't even have my gloves on. I'm just going to bring it from the top all the way down. This right here. And the red, I'm using Master's Touch Permanent Red. Oops, it's a little tricky. Let's do, I think I'm going to have a lot of red, white, and blue here. Alright, so here's our red. And I'm going to use some more of the white, but this time I'm going to use the gloss white with glue and Floetrol and some silicone. I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm going to go back to blue. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to put a little silver in there. This is Folk Art Sterling Silver Metallic. I'm actually going to mix it in with the whites. Just like that. Now back to blue. I think I'm not going to put quite so much on it. Over here, and now the red. Same colors as I described a moment ago. And some white. Here. With the silver. Oops. Here we go. I want more silver than white because I'm actually going to be swiping with a white. So now back to blue, which again is from Bacher's Phthalo Blue, which is such a beautiful blue. And then the permanent red from Master's Touch. And then some white and silver. Another squirt of silver here. And now here. And you know what? I think I'm going to put one little squirt of blue right along the edge here. Alright, so I know we got plenty of paint on there. And it's dripping off all over the place. So now I'm going to move back all these colors. Hopefully you can see okay. And I'm going to use the gloss white right up on top. A whole lot of it. And I hope this squeegee works. Alright. Right there. Here we go. I think I'm going to do it upside down. There goes nothing. Oh, you know what? Let me push that up a little bit. Let me hit the torch. I wasn't thinking. I got a fan going on high, so hopefully it doesn't blow it out. Really don't see hardly any bubbles in there. That should do it. Keep that handy. And now we're going to do it. So, here goes nothing. I am going to do it upside down. I'll lay it lightly across and just bring it back. I think I'm going to even wiggle it just like that, like as if it was a flag blowing in the wind. Ooh, look at that. Pretty colors coming out of that. Let me move my stuff. Oh wow. Maybe I should try to get a tile for that. I think I will. That's pretty. Although I don't know if I'm going to be able to scoop it up because I have, I don't think it's going to work. I have paper towels there. I don't think so. It might be alright. I might get one okay out of it. We'll see. I'll work on that after the fact. So here's my swipe. Looks like the edge over here, or that side too, didn't get it. But that's okay. And now I have some, I couldn't help but to do this. I have some silver glitter for my stars. So I'm going to sprinkle it with some silver glitter for the stars. There we go. And there's my tribute to Memorial Day and to the veterans and to our country. I hope everybody enjoyed it. June's giveaway is coming up in a couple days, and I'll be announcing the winner for the 250 subscriber contest as well. Please stay tuned, and I'll see you soon. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.